Welcome, and thank you for attending the informational open house for the US 41 Roundabout at Fruitville Road in Sarasota. During this meeting, you will have the opportunity to ask questions of staff from the City of Sarasota, as well as other agencies involved in this project, including EXP, Greenpoint for Quay, Wright Construction Group, and the Florida Department of Transportation. Representatives from the adjacent roundabout projects for 10th Street and 14th Street will also be available to answer questions. Project staff are wearing name badges to better identify themselves. Construction is anticipated to begin in October 2019 and is estimated to be completed in the fall of 2020. The construction cost is $7.5 million. The project limits extend on US 41 from 1st Street to Boulevard of the Arts and on Fruitville Road from US 41 to Coconut Avenue. Maintaining access to businesses and residences is a project priority. The primary goals of the project are to improve accessibility along US 41 for pedestrians, bicyclists, and drivers for a multimodal roadway. The project will also improve connectivity and circulation between the Bayfront area and downtown, provide a safe, convenient, and attractive crossing for pedestrians and bicyclists, and slow traffic speeds to improve safety while maintaining traffic flow. Roll plots of the final design are displayed on tables at the meeting. You are invited to review the design and ask project staff any questions you may have about how the construction of the project will proceed. The improvements being made as part of this project include replacing the signalized intersection at Fruitville Road with a roundabout, construction of a 12-foot multi-use recreational trail on the west side of US 41, and a variable width sidewalk on the east side of US 41, construction of raised islands for pedestrian refuge, installation of the Hawk pedestrian system, LED streetlights, and enhanced landscaping. The project also includes replacement of the City of Sarasota's utility and underground drainage structures and replacement of privately owned utilities and infrastructure.
Roundabouts are known to reduce speeds along a corridor and improve pedestrian accommodations. However, for multi-lane roundabouts, a pedestrian-activated warning device is sometimes needed to ensure that motorists are aware of pedestrians in the crosswalk. These warning devices are commonly referred to as high-intensity activated crosswalk, or HAWK signal. HAWK signals help to ensure the safety of pedestrians and minimize traffic delays since they are only activated when a pedestrian pushes the button to cross. The HAWK signal is made up of 3 lights, 2 red lights located above a single yellow light. If you are a motorist approaching a crosswalk controlled by a HAWK signal, then here's what you need to know. If the light is in the off position, then continue to proceed as normal, but remember to yield to traffic inside of the roundabout. If the light is flashing yellow, then slow down as a pedestrian has pushed the button. You can still proceed through the crosswalk as normal. When the light turns solid yellow, then this is a warning that the light is about to turn red. Be prepared to stop. When the light is solid red, then you must stop to allow pedestrians to cross. Afterwards, the light will begin to flash red. This means you must stop, but can proceed if the crosswalk is clear. The light will then go back to the off position until activated again. Remember, a yellow light is a warning that the light is about to turn red. A solid red light means you must stop. And a flashing red light means you must stop, but can proceed if the crosswalk is clear. For pedestrians, it's much like a crosswalk at a regular signalized intersection. First, press the button and wait for the signal to safely cross. Don't cross if you see the solid red hand, and only start to cross when indicated to do so. Make sure to stay alert to traffic and stay within the marked crosswalk. For roundabouts, a HAWK signal only stops one direction of travel at a time. When you reach the median, press the button again to activate the pedestrian signal to safely cross to the other side of the roadway.
Pedestrian signals are provided at all 4 legs of the roundabout to improve safety when crossing US 41 and Fruitville Road. The first phase of construction is anticipated to begin in October and run through mid-January 2020. Traffic will be shifted to the west side of US 41 while crews begin construction of utility and storm drain crossings of US 41 during nighttime hours. At the same time, crews will construct a temporary detour along the west side of US 41 between Boulevard of the Arts to just south of Fruitville Road. 2 lanes of traffic will remain open in each direction on US 41. The second phase of construction is anticipated to take place from mid-January 2020 to mid-May 2020. Traffic will be shifted to the newly constructed detour on the west side of US 41 while crews begin construction on the east side of the roadway. 2 lanes of traffic will remain open in each direction on US 41. Fruitville Road will be closed to westbound traffic between Cocoanut Avenue and US 41 while the east half of the roundabout is constructed. The third phase of construction is anticipated to take place from mid-May 2020 to mid-July 2020. Northbound US 41 traffic will be shifted to the newly completed east half of the roundabout while leaving southbound traffic in its existing location. Fruitville Road will remain closed to westbound traffic between Coconut Avenue and US 41. The center and a portion of the west side of the roundabout will be constructed during this phase. The fourth phase of construction is anticipated to take place from mid-July 2020 to late August 2020. Southbound traffic on US 41 will shift onto the completed portion of the roundabout on the west side of US 41 while leaving the northbound traffic in place. Fruitville Road will be reopened to westbound traffic and the intersection will function as a 3-legged roundabout. During this phase, crews will construct the remainder of the west side of the roundabout along with the entrance to the Quay property located to the west of the roundabout. The final phase of construction is anticipated to take place from late August 2020 through late October 2020. Southbound US 41 traffic will shift onto the completed portion of the roundabout on the west side of US 41 while leaving the northbound traffic in place. During nighttime hours, splitter islands and traffic separators will be constructed along with the final layers of asphalt, signage, pavement markings, and pedestrian signals. While construction is underway, crews will work simultaneously throughout the project limits during daytime and nighttime hours. Access to businesses will be maintained. Temporary lane closures will be in place at night or overnight between the hours of 9 p.m. and 7 a.m. Side street closures and detours will be in place during the second and third phases of construction. We encourage you to stay informed about this project. To learn about construction progress and sign up to receive weekly updates, please visit www.us41-Fruitville-Roundabout.com. To learn more about the design phase and alternatives that were considered, please visit www.swflroads.com/US41-Fruitville Roundabout/documents_publications.html. For more information on roundabouts in general, please visit www.fdot.gov/agency resources/roundabouts. This concludes the US 41 Fruitville Road Roundabout presentation. We invite you to view the design boards and roll plot plan tables. You are also welcome to watch this presentation again. The next presentation will begin automatically in 5 minutes. Thank you and have a great evening.